This is Alexander Vera for CIS113M database management using SQL. Week 1. This week we were supposed to install Oracle. The one we were supposed to install was Oracle 18C, but I was having trouble with that one. When I went online to see what might be the issue, the only thing I could find on what might be the issue is on YouTube, where you had to have Windows Professional in order to run the 18C version. So what I did was I uh, went back and installed Oracle 11G. Um, Went through there right here, and that's installed. We'll show this right now. I have system, put in the password. Might have messed that up. And we are connected. So it is up here fully. I have my database home file. Right here is the 64-bit version of Oracle. And that's it. Thank you.